Carmen. You're overreacting. It'll be all okay. Just stop crying. Like, what are you even crying about? Just like, it's all okay. Mom will be back in like 10 seconds because she's getting soap, so it's all good. You're gonna stop crying and like calm down, go back to sleep like you were like 10 seconds ago before she stepped out of the car. And you're gonna shush. Ew, did you see that? That was like a snot rocket. Ew. Carmen. Carmen. Ah, you're gonna make me cry. Carmen. Carmen. You have a unique cry. What was that, man? Carmen! Ew. Ew, what is that? He's already had a blow bubble already. It just stops, dude. It's like... It's all good. Or not. Oh my god. This is kind of sad.